Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 113th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use font variant. We'll start with doctype HTML. HTML. Now head tag. Now title tag. And now we'll end title tag. Style type equals to text slash css. P tag font variant small caps. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag. This is simple paragraph. And now we'll end p tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 113 with the extension HTML. Yes, I have done the program. I will replace it. And now let us check the output. Local disk D HTML folder and 113th program. So this is our basic output of how to use font variant. And don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.